Hello, good day learners. Let's solve for the HCF of each of the pair of numbers we have here. We have A to D. Let's start with A. I have 60 and 63. Get the smallest number that can divide 60 and divide 2. 2 can divide 60, we have 30. 2 can divide 30, we have 15. 3 can divide 15, we have 5. Then 5 can divide 5, we have 1. Over to 63. The smallest number that can divide 63 is 3. 3 divided 63, we have 21. 3 can divide 21, we have 7. Then 7 can divide 7, we have 1. Then we list out the factors that divided 60, which are 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Then for 63, we have 3 times 3 times 7. Then the next thing we do is to get the numbers that appeared in 60 and in 63. And then that is just 3. 3 appeared here and here just once. Therefore, the HCF is 3. Alright, let's solve the second one. Alright, to solve the second one, we are going to divide by the smallest number 2. So 2 is the smallest number that can divide 50. We have 25. The next number that can divide is 5. We have 5. The next number is still 5. We have 1. Over here, the smallest number that can divide 55 is 5. 5 divided 55 is 11. Then 11 is the only number that can divide. We have 1. So we list it. For 50, we divided by 2 times 5 times 5. Then for 55, we only have 5 times 11. So we can pair. 5 can be paired with 5. Therefore, our HCF is 5. Then let's do the next one, which is C. So the smallest number that can divide is 2. 2 divided 40 is 20. 2 divided 20 is 10. 2 divided 10 is 5. Then 5 can divide 5, 1. 2 can divide 60, we have 30. 2 divided 30, we have 15. 3 can divide, we have 5. Then 5 can divide to give us 1. Then we list it. 40, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 to give 40. Then for 60, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So the next thing we do is to group or to pair. We have 2 to be common. Another 2 here is common. Then 5 is common. So what we do is to pick out the common numbers 2, 2, and 5. We multiply them. 2 times 2 times 5. This would give us 20. So our HCF is 20. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you have understood what I did, solve the fourth one, 39 and 45. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting tutorials. Bye.